Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone guys keyboard setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to off guys keyboard vibration. Friends, you have this keyboard vibration. Friends, you can see when you use your keyboard your phone vibrates. So how to fix guys keyboard vibration problem is guys how to off keyboard vibration. Today friends I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So easily guys you can off your keyboard vibration, and guys you can fix your keyboard this vibration problem. As you can see, when you use keyboard your phone vibrate, background guys your phone vibrate. So how to fix? First guys, click on left side this icon guys, you can see here guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your keyboard language, theme, font, number row, text editing. So friends, you can see your keyboard sound and vibration. So guys, click here. So friends, you can see your keyboard vibration. So guys, you will have to off from here. After okay, easily guys you can use your keyboard without any vibration. As you can see, phone will not vibrate when we will tap on keyboard. So like that guy, we can off keyboard vibration in Poco phone device. So that's it guys. And once you want to use guys your keyboard language setting, so once you can input any language from here after on it. Once you want to change any theme, so guys you can change your keyboard theme, font style guys you want to change, so you can change. Guys, you can adjust your keyboard from here, increase and decrease, small, default and large size and option. So as you can see, keyboard size will increase. So like that guys, I will decrease it option. So like that guys, we can use guys keyboard setting in Poco phone device, and guys we can off keyboard vibration in Poco phone device. So bye bye guys. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Poco phone guys keyboard setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.